Let's make some amazing Paneer Kathi roll. This was my go-to snack when I was in school and college. It was always my favorite. I've got different varieties of this. You can make it with egg, without egg, with chicken or paneer. Today I've made it with paneer. So let's try it out. It's very simple. So let's get on to the video and let's get spiced. So I've taken 2 cups of Maida, and to this we'll add some salt. Add 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee to this. To this we add lukewarm water to make a smooth dough. Make sure you don't add too much of water, and the dough should be medium soft. You have to knead it continuously for about 8 to 10 minutes and then we let it rest. The more you let it rest, it will be better. I'll be giving it a bit twist to the kathi roll which I make. Usually we make it plain, but I'll be making it with some masala. So hence the name Masala Kathi roll. We make sure to stretch the dough by kneading it for about 8 to 10 minutes. After kneading it for 8 to 10 minutes, we get a smooth dough. To this we add about 1 teaspoon of oil. We cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 45 to 50 minutes. You can let it rest for at least half an hour. After letting it rest for 45 minutes, we see that the dough has been really soft. We divide the roll into equal sized balls. We add a bit of oil to the rolling surface and then we roll it into a thin flat paratha. We roll the dough into a thin paratha, and then now comes the important step. You apply some oil to this and spread it well. After rolling it into a thin paratha, we add some spice mix to this. I've got here a mix of dry spices. I've got some chili flakes, Garam Masala, Aamchur powder, some salt, pepper. You can skip this step if you don't want it. You can make it a plain paratha also, but the rolling process will be the same without the masala. So I've added some oil. To this we add the spice mix. We gently add some dough to this. Make sure that the masala is stuck to the paratha. We gently fold the paratha as shown. So the idea is to make some layers and then we roll it again into a paratha. Once you have folded the paratha, now we coil it around the center. Similarly, we roll some other coils of parathas. We add some oil to this. We cover this with a damp cloth, let it rest for 15 minutes. Now we'll prepare the stuffing for the Paneer Kathi roll. We take about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this, once the oil is heated, we'll add the sliced onions. I've taken 2 large onions and we'll saute them. We'll saute the sliced onions until they are golden brown. It is a very basic stuffing. We don't have to worry about too much of spices. We can see the onions have started to become translucent. Nothing is complete without ginger garlic paste, so we add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to this and mix it well. We want the onions to be caramelized and also not too burnt. So make sure to control the heat when you're cooking the onions. You can see that the onions have turned really soft and translucent. Now we can add the spices and the paneer to this. Once the onions have turned translucent, we add the following spices. We add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 full teaspoon of coriander powder. A pinch of turmeric. We also will add a half teaspoon of Aamchur powder. Add some salt according to taste and mix it well. You can increase the spice if you prefer it more spicy. I will be adding the chili garlic sauce later to the kathi roll, so I kept it medium spicy now. Once you have mixed the masalas, we let it rest for a while and then the paneer goes into this. Then we cook it for a few minutes and the paneer stuffing is ready. I've got here around 400 grams of paneer. We add this to the masala and mix it well. So the best part about this dish is that paneer does not take too much time to cook. So keep it on medium heat and mix it well. We check the tasting in between and add the appropriate spices according to your taste. You don't have to make always the Maida paratha to this or Maida kathi roll to this. You can make it with Indian paratha or roti or chapati also. The stuffing is the same. You can change the Indian bread as you want. As we can see, the paneer has mixed well and the flavors have infused into the paneer. I've tasted a few paneer bits. It's pretty tasty. As you can see, the paneer stuffing is ready. It tastes really good, smells really good. Now we'll move on to making the rolls. After 15 minutes, we roll this coil into a thin paratha and then fry it on a pan. We roll this paratha into a desired consistency and you can see the layers. We take a pan with oil and add the paratha to this. Once it is cooked a bit on the one side, we flip it off. We cook the paratha until golden brown and then remove it from heat. Similarly, we will also cook the plain paratha and it is golden brown. So we have got the parathas ready. Now we will make the kathi roll. So we will take 1 paratha. To this we add some chili garlic sauce. Now we'll add the paneer stuffing which we have prepared. We add the pickled onions to this. Optionally you can add some chili flakes. It's never too spicy for me. To this we can add some mayo and ketchup. Look at this. This looks already so damn tasty. So once you've added all the toppings, you roll it down into a roll. You cover it with aluminum foil and Paneer Kathi roll is ready to be enjoyed. Look at this. I'm waiting to try it out. Just amazing. Those golden fried caramelized onions along with those pickled onions give it that sweet and tangy taste. Those chili flakes in the masala paratha and on the toppings gives it that punch. The chili garlic sauce along with ketchup and mayo is just an amazing combination. You guys should try it out. Until next week with another video. Until then, happy cooking and get spiced.